Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you on how to sort YouTube video comments on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Select a video. Find the video you want to view the comments for and click on it to open the video page. Step 3. Beside comments, click on Sort By. Scroll down to the comments section and locate the Sort By option. It is usually found right below the comment box. By clicking on Sort By, you can choose from various sorting options such as top comments, newest first, or oldest first. This allows you to customize the order in which comments are displayed. Sorting YouTube video comments can be helpful to find the most relevant or recent comments, making it easier for you to engage with your viewers. That's it for today's tutorial on how to sort YouTube video comments on your PC. We hope you found this information useful. Remember to stay tuned for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only. Results may vary.